What is up, you guys? It's your favorite producer, RonDon, and today gonna show y'all how I make J.Cole type beats with Arcade and Maschine. Let's get into it.
Ron got the recipe.
Alright, so before we start this video, definitely want to say thank you for the ones who have been following me, and if you're not, hit that subscribe button now, like the video, share it with your friends. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I do is open up my DAW, set up a MIDI track, open up Maschine. Now let's pick them drums out. I spent most of my time in Maschine picking out the right drums because I wanted to sound like a real J. Cole track. I don't want to pick any kind of drum out. I wanted to sound real, like something Cole would actually spit on. You can actually find these drums on nativeinstruments.com. Just look up the Sierra Groove expansion pack. I used the hi-hats and the snares from the late kit. I went ahead and threw some kick on top. Now we're good to go. So now that we got our drums picked out, it's time to hop in Arcade and pick out a dope sample. I kept it pretty simple this time. I used the One More sample pack from Arcade. I played around with it a little bit until I found the sound that I wanted to make my main melody. I chose a second melody to complement our main one every couple of bars, and threw a third one in somewhere in the verses. Together, this is what they sound like. There's some transitions, there's some changes that happen, and it doesn't feel like the same thing over and over and over again. Alright, so now that we got our drums down, we got our main melodies from Arcade down, it's time to throw some bass on top. The bass I chose was Rickenbacker Bass from Native Instruments. Threw some guitar rig on top with some added flavor, but for this track, I really wanted to sit in the pocket. Nothing too much, of course we can go crazy with it, but really want to have some space for that artist or for J. Cole, whoever it is, to do their thing on the track. So for this track, it's going to sit in the back, in the pocket, and just complement the main melody.
Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content. Like the video, share it with your friends, and let me know how you feel in the comments, man. I really appreciate it. Peace.